In this video, I will show you step by step how to set up Facebook lead ads with GoHighLevel. I'll go through creating the Facebook lead ad, how you can then map it in GoHighLevel and fully connect it to GoHighLevel so that any lead form submission that goes through in Facebook will automatically enter into GoHighLevel, and then how you can set up automations around that and how you can ultimately use it inside of GoHighLevel. To do this, you need two things. First, you need to have a Facebook ad account, and second, you need to have a GoHighLevel account. If you don't yet have a GoHighLevel account, through the link down in the description, you can claim this extended 30-day free trial. Now, after you have both of those set up, just follow along. So the first thing you want to go and do is open up your Facebook Ads Manager. Then click on Create under Campaigns and just select a lead campaign. If you've already done this, that's okay too, but just go and set up a Facebook lead campaign. Then under the conversion location, you can just set it to instant forms, so then you can automatically import it into GoHighLevel, and I'd recommend doing this. You can also use a GoHighLevel funnel, but I'll just use Facebook so that people don't have to leave the platform to enter their info. Now, after you have created your Facebook lead ad, which you may have already done, from there go and open up GoHighLevel. Now, after doing that, in GoHighLevel, what you want to do first is switch to the sub account where you want to have the leads come in from your Facebook ad campaign. Now, after you've done that, what you want to do is just open up settings in the bottom left menu and then scroll down a little bit until you see integrations. So click on integrations, and then here third you should see auto sync ad leads, manage DMs, and respond to reviews and comments all across your Facebook and Instagram. So here click connect. And now what you want to do is just sign in with the same Facebook account that you are running the ad on. Now I already have a tab open, so for me it does this automatically. Just click continue as your name, and now it will request access to basically your Facebook account. Now after you do that, it has been connected, and what you can now do is select which page you are running the ads on. So on Facebook, you can go and check this by clicking in the top left. Then you can see which account you are on, and now I know which account I'm running the ad on, so just going to select that one, or just select all of them to be safe. And they can do the sync time, so all new leads, so the leads that come in from now, or all leads that already exist. I'll just do the new leads, then click connect and continue. From there, your Facebook integration with the CRM was successful. Now you can configure the field mapping. So this is also important. Now right now it says forms not available. That's because I haven't yet created a form, so real quick I'll just go to create a form inside of Facebook. So inside of my Meta Business Suite, I have now set up a form. Now what you can do is go back to GoHighLevel and then again go into settings, integrations, and then here go to Facebook form fields mapping. Now here just select the correct page, and here you will then find the form if you have connected it. Then you can click edit fields and just make sure all the fields match up. So full name is of course full name, email is email. If you have some more custom things, then you can also map those. Then click confirm, and then you have successfully updated the form. And now after you do this, whenever anyone enters their information inside of this form, it will then be entered into GoHighLevel, even if it's from the ad. And now what you can do is, for example, go into automation right here, and then click create workflow, start from scratch or from a template, and now you can use this as a trigger. So if I click add new trigger, what I can do is search for form, and then select Facebook lead form submitted, and then I can select from which page or from which form even. So for example, this specific form, and click save trigger. When this happens, for example, I want to create a contact inside of my CRM. So then you can add a field such as their full name, and for example their email, then save action. So now when this Facebook lead form is submitted, it creates a contact inside of my pipeline. And then also if I want to send them an email, I can select send email, and then here just write out the email that I want to send them with the customization. So for example, hi first name, which is then collected from the lead form, and then it will be automatically sent to the email that is submitted. So you can just do this instantly, which is very important because you want to follow up fast. That really improves your chances of actually closing them as a customer. So that's basically how you can set up a Facebook lead ad with GoHighLevel. So I've shown you how you can create the lead ad, how you can set up the form. By the way, if you don't know, it's under all tools right here. and then in the right under advertise, go to instant forms and create the form. Then just select that inside of your leads campaign and then connect it with GoHighLevel in the way I showed you by going to settings and then integrations, and then map the correct fields, and from there you can set up a workflow by, for example, creating a contact, so they will be added to contacts, and then you can in your workflow also say they need to be added to your pipeline, and you can also send automated messages to them. So now you know everything you need to know to use Facebook lead ads with GoHighLevel. Again, you can claim an extended 30-day free trial to GoHighLevel through the link down in the description. So if this video was helpful for you, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.